Josie, are you standing up? By yourself? How did you get up there? Huh? How did you get up there? Since when can you do that? Oh, you like that flower, huh? Are you excited? How are you going to get down? Huh? Did you climb up there all by yourself? Hey. Josie. Did you climb up there all by yourself? Oh dear. I see we're going to have to make some changes. Can you wave bye-bye to Daddy? Because he's going to watch this video. Say bye-bye. No, he's not out in the hall. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Daddy. Oh, you little punk. Yay! Whoa! Good catch. I think I see how you're going to get down. You're going to fall. Alright. First time pulling yourself up in your crib. What's today? March. Oh boy. 23. March 23rd. 2010. Yay! Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.